Hi, today we have come up with something very amazing, which is a global milestone for CGC Jhanjeri. Presenting you ITEP, which is International Teaching Excellence Program 2025, where CGC Jhanjeri is hosting 20 plus distinguished delegates from 10 plus countries right here in our campus, where they will speak only one language and deliver their insights, their knowledge, their wisdom with our faculty and students. So the delegates and the chief guest will join this event in some time. Well, the chief guest is Mr. Deepak Anand, who is an educationist and a technocrat. He's also a member of Provincial Parliament at Missonga Mountain, Canada. So very warm welcome to our campus. How are you?
I'm doing good, and thank you for giving me an opportunity to interact with the faculty, students and the international peers as well.
Definitely, sir. It's our pleasure instead, I would say. And well, sir, आप कितने टाइम बाद इंडिया आए?
मैं 2 साल बाद इंडिया आया हूँ.
You said that you're coming after 2 years. So how does it feel coming back to your nation, you know, your motherland, and especially CGC Jhanjeri? What do you have to say about our campus?
See, I think the world is progressing, and it is good to see the world progressing and the communities are becoming better. And when I see the same reflection happening in India, it is such a pride moment to see India and the Indians growing as well. Indian institutions, Indian businesses are growing. So this is such a wonderful feeling, and I'm very happy about it.
So what do you have to say about this kind of event, ITEP?
I think, in my opinion, it's very simple. When you have a plant and it does need shade, it does need air, it does need water, but you need to put a fertilizer. So these kind of programs are like an energy shot or the fertilizers,
Catalyst maybe.
the catalyst.
Yeah.
So it's an investment. It doesn't come for free. It needs a lot of money, effort, and you're taking out the time out of the usual and investing into it. But I think it's a great investment.
Yeah,
When you invest in such programs, you're giving the ability to your teacher, faculty to become better. When they become better, they're able to provide a good, better education to the student.
इन सभी प्रोफेसर्स का एक्सपीरियंस हमारे लिए एक नई अपॉर्चुनिटी है. So the brilliant minds who have joined us in this ITEP program 2025 are from different countries like South Africa, Jordan, Taiwan, Australia, Philippines, UAE, Canada, Malaysia and more. Well, ये सिर्फ lectures नहीं, ये है एक complete global academy experience where we are going to have interactive workshops that go beyond the textbook, interdisciplinary seminars where ideas collide and innovations are born, academic networking sessions that turn handshakes into lifelong collaborations, and a global exchange of teaching practices that redefine how we teach and learn. Alright, so CGC Jhanjeri keeps on hosting such kind of international events where innovators and educators all across the globe come and share their knowledge and wisdom with us. Well, this was ITEP International Teaching Excellence Program 2025, and this entire episode is of CGC Unfiltered. Keep watching the episodes to catch the latest updates in the campus. This is Sunidhi signing off.